Hello and welcome, it's Julie Cube. I'm here in Australia, in Queensland on the Sunshine Coast, and I'm back and ready to try some colours, and I just want to really enjoy this process because I haven't been painting too much. I have been painting, but not as much as I would like, or not as much as I would do normally, should I say. So I just want to try a different composition. I just want to be in the moment. I want to enjoy what I'm doing, and I hope when you do it, you do the same too. Anybody that's new to acrylic, as there's always a few that join me, if you're a beginner, there is, in the link underneath this video, there is a link for beginners and how to mix the paints, so on and so forth. So it's all there if you're only just starting off. So we're going to just give this a little coat of paint. Even though my canvases come pre-gessoed, and you can just paint directly straight over that, I'm just going to give this a little base coat because I do want to do some blowing about of the paint with my hairdryer, and we'll see how it all pans out. But yeah, just enjoy. Remember, your art, your rules, your way. That's even so in 2024. Still stick to the mantra. Don't listen to the critics. Keep painting on. It's very good for your mental health. I'm gonna add some nice colours in here. And my husband's just pulled up, just as it's obviously it's just at the time when you're in your paint room on your own and you think you're going to get some just nice peace and quiet. My husband decides to come home. How dare he? How dare he? So this is turquoise and it is gorgeous. So just puddling, I'm puddling the paints. This isn't real thin today. It's quite a little bit more on the thicker side. So I'm going to really mix it up here. Now this is my custom colour of 50% gold, 50% silver. And it's just, I call it my champagne gold. Actually noticed some paint companies now coming out with this same name and same colour. Weird, hey? And then this is brilliant red. So I'm going to add some jejum in here. Jejum. Yeah, just take it nice and slow. Nobody's in any hurry. Just enjoy. Now this is just the metallic gold. So this has nothing. It's just gold. So this is definitely going to come out such nice sparkly because it's got so much metallics in it. Oh, that's beautiful. And then I'm going to, where is it? Move over to Fluoro Blue. It should give it a real big pop in there. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. And then a little bit of white. I was going to keep this minimalistic, but as you see, I am going completely off tether. And the other thing I may do is put a bit of, so this is quite thick and I probably should add a bit of water or pouring medium to my paint. Okay, I have just thinned, I just put some little bit of water in this to thin it down. Oh goodness. So I'm hoping that it'll help me blow those paints, and I really hope they're lovely colours. But I'm going to do something that, no, actually I might I might just blow them as it is. And I'm going to use my mini blower. I better check that I've got it plugged in, because I did this the other week and it wasn't plugged in. So this is my mini blower. So here we go. Don't like that. I don't like it. What can I do with that? I don't like it. Don't like the colours together. Excuse me. Let me push on and try a bit of black in it. Otherwise, I'm going to go to plan B, because I do not like that at all. Let's give it a go again. Otherwise, plan B. Ooh, no, like it. Don't like that at all. Oh my goodness. So, what do you do in times like these? Not liking at all. Okay, think. I think I might do a, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. Let me think. That's better. I know I could get something out of that. Don't like that at all. So I'm going to try a bit of my paint with the Australian Floetrol. It won't come out. Oh, you know, when things go bad, they go from bad to worse. But you just push on. Try it again. See if it will come out. So I'm just going to put the black paint on this spatula. I might completely change the... Let's give this a go. Oh. I like that effect. Love those cells. I'll look at the cells. Absolutely stunning cells. So this is just the black Amsterdam paint with Australian Floetrol, and you get these absolutely gorgeous cells. So give this one a little whirl. Oh my goodness, that is beaut, you beaut. Let's try this. They're just appearing. That can stay. I'm going to do the unthinkable and swish it off, because I do not like it. Do not like that at all. That's it. Sometimes you just have to think on your feet and think, what can I do to save it? Sometimes I just can't save it, so I completely scrape it, and just, rather than waste the whole canvas. Remember, the paint is, you know, very diluted down with pouring medium, so it's like not too bad losing that amount of paint, but the canvas is the expensive bit, really. So do this again. Wipe my spatula so I'll get the paint off it, and then just swish this paint around. I think quickly here how I'm going to do this. Oh, I've got a gooey bit in there. I'm really losing it. Yeah, I told you, it's like, because I haven't been painting that much, it's yeah, you kind of lose your momentum, but it's enjoyable, even though there was a bit mistakey bits there. That's okay. This absolutely gorgeous. When I bring you down, you must see those. The colours are just gorgeous. So I think that with this one, I'll do something in here in a minute. I can just you know, make this sort of look a bit more floaty looking. So it's like the feature. Floaty, floaty. And I think I'm going to go the same kind of thing as I did with that, but you bet I will not be able to get, not that I have to get the same colours for sure. Might start off here because I'll do those colours and I'll do my swipe through it again. Gold. So champagne gold and then the metallic gold. I'm going to do that brilliant red because that has come out so nice in there. Beautiful. I'll add a bit of this fluoro blue and go the white. I think we leave it at that, and then I'll do the same with my spatula again. I will pour the black on it to do my swipe. Aussie slide, it's Australian Floetrol, and I'm sliding it over the top of the paint to get those lovely cell effects of this, just nice and gentle. Oh my goodness, beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. I think I might just do a tiny little blowout in the corner, so that's my turquoise. I might go the gold. Red. I haven't done such a wacky painting. Well, mind you, mine are always wacky. Yes, definitely. Crazy lady, crazy paint lady. I can work on this and make something of it for sure. But when I bring you down and you see these lovely cells, they're just beautiful. So we'll go. I think I might just not use my dryer to blow that out. I might just blow it out with my stainless steel straw with the bendy end. And then we'll do something with this. Oh, that's a nice one. I think what would finish that off nice, just a really deflated old balloon here that's been here for months. Just push that like lengthways in there, not straight on, and it gives this lovely effect. We'll try it with this one too. Probably could have done big balloon in there. Let's do lots of small kisses around the center to make that a little bit more attractive, because I'm not loving that, and I probably should have scraped it off, but it's not too bad. Remember, there's always hope. It's not too bad, but what I do want to do is just some edits to these bits that are might be better doing it with this, just a little chopsticky thing. And remember, when it's dry, you can add your own, like you can use the acrylic pens and do some anything in it. Just define your lines a bit better, might, you know, works really well. Definitely seen some of those in my previous pours. I think that's actually fine now. It's kind of I love that one, and I wish now that I'd just done smaller blowouts. But I'm going to bring you down and come and have a look at these absolutely stunning cells. Look at that one, that little corner one. I love that. Look at the cells in that. But look at these here. Oh my goodness. And I haven't even put heat wand or any heat over it, which will bring out the cells even further. That is gorgeous. Really lovely. Look how fiery and lava-like that looks like. That one. That's beautiful. I'm really happy with that. So I'll see how it dries, and then whether I do any work with my acrylic pen at the end of it. But it's just a little bit different. It's got a few easy techniques in there, and I'm actually loving the colours now. But loving these cells. Look at this. Look at that. Got my light is blinking, so that fluoro blue looks shining through like there's a light behind it. Love it, love it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will be back. I hope you enjoyed this, and give it a go. Let me know what you think, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.